G'day there, I'm Tony Maynard. I'm just going to give you a brief rundown on Canva on how to find a YouTube thumbnail plus create one. So first thing you go to is up here in the right hand corner is to create a design. That's the first thing you do. Click on that button and a drop down appears. And what you do is you scroll down that drop down until you find YouTube thumbnail. Okay, this is what you do. There it is there, see? There, right there. Click on that. Okay, and then we come to the dashboard where the thumbnails show. So there you go, we've got the thumbnail now. Up, it's right there. And we've got all these things, templates, we have elements you can put in, uploads, photos, text, background, and more. There's more here, which is styles, audio, videos, charts, and folders. Okay, so the first thing we want to go to is background. So we want to find a background color that we can use. So just scroll through and see what we can find here, whether there's anything suitable, because I usually start with a background color with anything I do. So I'm going to demonstrate this, and it might take a little, I just got to find a background color. That's it. Now I could try one of these. Actually, I just might try one of these actually. Let's try this one here. See if, yeah, that's suitable. That'll be right. There you go. There's my background color. Okay, so all I've done is gone up here in the color picker, and I've just picked this color here. That's all I've done. And there it is again. It just reappeared because I picked it. Okay, so I picked that color there. Okay, so now the next thing to go to is uploads, which I'll go to uploads. Because what I'm going to do here is show you how to upload. Okay, so you go to, here's images, you go to uploads, upload media, you go to device. Okay, device. Now I'm on my computer now, so I've got to go to pictures. And I go down to screenshots. Here they are there. Now we're looking for, well, I'm looking for anyway, okay. Let's see what we can find here. Okay, there we go. That's the first thing we want. We want this one. So I've got this one here because I'm going to make I'm making a video. So I'll put that in. We'll open that. And there we go. That's loaded. So now I can just drag this over, right, to my YouTube and drop it in. There it is, right there. Now I can make this bigger or smaller. I can do whatever I like with it. So, if I decide, oh, well, that's a bit big, so I can just go down, 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 down. Oh, yeah, maybe that's a bit bigger, better, right there. So I can put that right there, and then I can go back in and do another one. I can upload another one. So I just go back to device again. Should take me back to the right place this time. Because we're making what I'm doing is I'm making this video to show you how to do a thumbnail, right? So what I'm doing is this will be the thumbnail that will go up on the video, you see. So let's carry on down. We'll see what we can find. Keep on going down. Keep on going down. Come on. There we go. So we'll use this one. No, we won't. We'll use this one. Okay, so I'll open that. And there it is there. So we'll put that, drag that across, put that right there. There it is there, right there. Okay, so now we've got that. Now we've got two elements now we've dragged into the onto the thumbnail. So, and now we can just go to text. Add a heading. Just drag it in. Now I just add a heading. Now if you want to change the text color, right, because this is now we're into, see now it's black normally, right, so just highlight it, go up to the text color, there it is here, right here, click on the A and then pick your color. For this I'll use white, so I'll pick that. I'll go back up here, yeah, and what I'll do now is I will start to write, see what happens here. Now this is a how-to video, so what I'll do is okay, so I'll just start deleting that other heading so I can get this right. How to make a and now okay, I think that's enough for that, so we'll just drag in another text. Well, we'll finish with the color picker, so we'll go back to text again. So go over here, click on the TC text, click on the headline again. Should be another one underneath. There it goes. So we just start again. How to make a, and we're going to do the same thing again because it's gone black. So we go up to the A here, text color. Do the same thing, pick white, and then just start typing again. Okay. So it's YouTube. So I'll just actually get rid of that. YouTube thumbnail on. Oh, okay, yeah, hang on. I just done that wrong. Oh, done it wrong again. On Canva. CANVA. And there you go. So there we have it. Hang on, click on it, double click on it. There we go. Now we can move this around if we want. So I'll move it up a bit. Move this one up slightly. And there you have it. This is just a simple demonstration of how to make a thumbnail on Canva. Right, it's very, very simple. It's very basic. I've just made a simple YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'll probably put the link to Canva if you want to, because this is really a simple program to use. It's really good for this sort of thing, you know, especially if you're a YouTuber. It's really good. Looks like, you know, I mean, so I will be you'll use that. I'll just put that in there. That's right. So yeah, it's really good. So yeah, I will put a link to Canva in the description. And if you like this video and you found it informative, well, you can click the like button, smash the click the notification bell for more videos, instructive videos, reviews, all that kind of thing, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye. Oh, I forgot something which you must do after you've made your thumbnail, like we've done here. Go up to the right hand corner, push download. Okay, and it'll tell you what to download. Download is suggested as, oh, this one suggests an MP4. Oh, okay, why? I don't know. Oh, you can drop down. PDF. You can do PDF, JPEG. I'll just do JPEG, I think. Not MP4. I don't want MP4. So I'll do a JPEG, and I'll download that as a JPEG file. Okay, so what will happen now? It'll download it on my file. See, then share the design, but I'm not going to do that, so they're not interested in doing that. And then once you've got it on your computer, you can open it. You see, and it'll be it'll be in your downloads file. So open file. This might take a little bit of time but then it will open the file. It should open the file. Here we go. Something's happening. Here we are. There's the completed YouTube thumbnail on my computer. Okay, so that was the only thing I missed. So with that, I'll say, well, see you later. And now I've completed the video, so you can catch up with them. I'll do some other videos on instructional things when I think about them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.